How to use the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a powerful method to create wealth, happiness, and success. We're always attracting things and situations with our thoughts and emotions. Basically, our thoughts affect our emotions and create our vibration. Law of attraction works through vibration. That's how like attracts like. So feeling happy and successful attracts more happiness and success into your life. We naturally have a high vibration, but as we encounter problems and stress in life, the vibration goes down immediately. With this in mind, we can train ourselves to focus on growth and seeing the good in life, and unblock the flow of abundance. When we feel good, we attract more good. We can visualize how we want life to be, and when we feel it, we create it. However, you may feel some obstacles and limiting beliefs come up. For instance, some people think we have the talents we have, and that's it. As well as we get a certain lot in life, and other people get better lots. A person with this static mindset might also see themselves as poor, and that rich people are simply lucky. Your story of your life might include thoughts like, I don't have the money for that, and I never win anything, or I never get ahead. These stories are static, saying that because you couldn't get ahead before, you can't now. The opposite way of thinking is having a growth mindset. If we consciously choose between a static and growth mindset, most people will happily choose growth. But so many people don't realize that they're making this choice. They don't realize that they can change their life by changing the way they see the world. The main trait that separates successful people from the rest is having a growth mindset. Successful people believe that you can improve your character, expand your knowledge and skills, and overcome new challenges. Having a growth mindset first is what creates success and happiness. How to make it a plan. 1. Create a high vibration lifestyle. Whenever you have a choice, choose the high vibe path. That requires self-reflection, and honestly looking for beliefs that are hurting us. Consider what you believe about life and money, and even relationships. Do your beliefs serve you? Do they help you improve, grow, and gain abundance? If not, it's time to trade them in for a positive outlook and hope. Some of these negative things might be comparison, which robs you of joy. Don't do things to elicit a reaction from others. Trying to impress others doesn't lead to happiness or success. It usually ends in bitterness and low self-esteem. There is always someone better than you, or someone who can never be impressed. Live the life you want to live. Embrace your passions. Embrace challenges and see them as opportunities for learning. Be inspired by those doing better in your passion areas. Learn from them and grow into the best you that you can be. Be grateful for your life as it is right here, right now. And above all, always keep moving forwards in designing and living your best life. Create a life that supports your dreams. Spend time with positive people who encourage and challenge you. Read, learn, watch videos, and go to workshops and conferences. Investing in yourself keeps you excited about life and your goals. Living a high vibration lifestyle is living your truer purpose. 2. Choose yourself first. Don't wait for others to choose you. Choose yourself. You can self-publish your writing, start your own freelance job or company, begin consulting, sell your art or work online, and go after your dream. No one is stopping you. There are many avenues to do what you want, and you have the option to do it creativity in an entirely new way. Your first step is to think of yourself as the person you want to be: a business owner, painter, world traveler, author, life coach, or teacher. If you want it, be it now. In a way, I'm saying, fake it till you make it. If you want to be something, start right now. If you want to be rich, think like a rich person. If you want to be successful, think that you are. Act like you are. If you want to be happy, then be happy. Believe it's possible. Believe it's happening right now. Even if you encounter resistance, don't give up on your dreams and choosing yourself. It's well documented that the rich think differently about money and life. They teach their children different things. Luckily for us, some of the very rich love to teach others about mindset, managing money, and building wealth. You can learn to think like a rich person, and therefore become rich. Choose yourself by prioritizing your dreams. When you say yes to projects and things you don't really want to do, you end up bitter, resentful, and not doing your best. Focus on how you can really help people, and on what you want to accomplish in your life. When we work toward our passion, we're at our happiest. Some call this fulfilling your purpose. If you have the passion, drive, and determination to make something happen, you will. Develop this mindset by picturing yourself as the way you want to be, in that job, doing that dream, or whatever you're striving for. How can you incorporate that into your life right now? If you think of yourself as that role, you'll naturally start doing things to get you there. Do you live as if your dream will be reality? Do you have a plan to achieve your dream with steps and dates? In the book Think and Grow Rich, there are 6 definitive practices you must put in action. 1. Fix in your mind the exact amount of money you desire. Be definite as to the amount you desire. 2. Determine exactly what you intend to give in return for the money you desire. 3. Establish a definite date when you intend to possess the money you desire. 4. Create a definite plan for carrying out your desire, and begin at once, whether you are ready or not, to put this plan into action. 5. Write out a clear, concise statement of the amount of money you intend to acquire. Name the time limit for its acquisition, state what you intend to give in return for the money, and describe clearly the plan through which you intend to accumulate it. 6. Read your written statement aloud, twice daily, once just before retiring at night and once after arising in the morning. As you read, see and feel and believe yourself already in possession of the money. Not everyone needs large sums of money to be happy either. You can use steps and goals like this to accomplish anything in life. 3. Attract what you desire. Focus on nurturing your growth mindset and creating a high-vibration lifestyle. Being around positive people and working towards positive things in your life naturally creates happiness. It also creates wealth. And lowering your stress while having positive things to think about improves your health. It all starts with your mindset. And all it takes to have a growth mindset is to decide to. When you're looking forward in life and seeking new knowledge and adventure, you will find a life of abundance. Our brains work best when we're positive, not negative or even neutral. Successful people look for reasons to be happy, and use happiness as their starting point. It turns out we can break happiness down to define it better. Or, in other words, using your talents and passion to make the world a better place. We're happiest when we're using our talents, whether to make a living, give to others, or just make things of beauty. Ways to keep your vibration high. 1. Train yourself to scan the world around you for positive things. 2. To cultivate your own happiness, meditate. 3. Invest in relationships. Our support system is one of the biggest indicators of success and happiness in life. 4. Write down 3 good things that happened every day. This teaches your mind to review the past day with a happy filter so you start to focus on the positive. 5. Invest in experiences, which bring lasting happiness. 6. Practice physical exercise. Being healthier also helps us be happier. 7. Maintain a consistent practice. Consistency will change your mindset, which in turn will change your behavior on the inside and outside out, which in turn will bring different results. Believe and you shall see it.